Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in Jamaica. Binance is a premier global cryptocurrency exchange, offering a wide array of digital assets for trading. Jamaicans can easily access features like spot trading, futures, and even staking to earn rewards. It's important to understand the platform's functionalities and ensure all your activities comply with local financial regulations. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and effectively. Funding your Binance account in Jamaica often involves using the peer-to-peer or P2P trading feature. This allows you to directly purchase cryptocurrencies from other users using Jamaican dollars. Common payment methods include local bank transfers or various payment applications. Before confirming any transaction, always take a moment to verify the seller's reputation and be aware of any transaction limits. This ensures a secure and efficient funding process for your account. Once your account is funded, you can explore the extensive trading options available on Binance. The platform offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to numerous altcoins. You can engage in spot trading for immediate exchanges or delve into futures trading for more advanced strategies. Additionally, features like staking allow you to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Binance provides tools for both novice and experienced traders to manage their digital assets effectively. Withdrawing your funds from Binance in Jamaica is straightforward, primarily through the P2P selling feature. You can sell your cryptocurrencies to other users who will pay you in Jamaican dollars. Payments are typically received via bank transfers or through various local payment applications. It is absolutely crucial to confirm that you have received the full payment from the buyer before you release your cryptocurrency. This step protects your assets and ensures a smooth withdrawal process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.